Hello everyone, and today we will be suturing on a tomato with Proline 80, as you can see. So I will be making a cut over this tomato. See, nothing is there. I will be making a cut and then we'll be suturing the tomato. So first of all, you can see I'm making a cut, only the superficial cut, not a deep cut, only the peel of the tomato I'm cutting with the micro scissors. I will be using 80 Proline sutures to suture this tomato. Now you can see I have loaded the needle, 80 Proline needle. You can see the size, so small. And these are the micro forceps which I will be using for suturing the tomato, this laceration. As you can see, I have taken the equal bites, both the sides of the tomato laceration. This is how you should practice with the Proline 80. You can see I have secured the knot. One more knot I will take to tie it, and then I will cut the suture. And for suturing this, as I am using 4x Z loop magnification, so that I can practice along with that. You can see here we have loaded the needle again. One suture we have already taken. Just we have to take care of that we will not go so deep. So this will be our only practice. While practicing only this, we have to practice that we should not go deep. Carefully we will be taking out the suture. The help of 4x magnification, it's very easy for me to secure that. You can see knot have been secured, and the third knot is secured. You can see now. Now I will use the scissors to cut the suture.